Hey everyone, welcome to Learn.YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn authentication system in LARAVEL with Jetstream package from LARAVEL and backend using LARAVEL Fortify. Before we start, let's talk about Jetstream. LARAVEL Jetstream is a new authentication scaffold for LARAVEL. Jetstream provides login, registration, email verification, two-factor authentication, session management, API support via LARAVEL Sanctum, and optional team management. Jetstream is designed using Tailwind CSS and offers your choice of Livewire or Inertia scaffolding. And LARAVEL Fortify is agnostic authentication backend for LARAVEL. LARAVEL Fortify powers the registration, authentication, and two-factor login features of LARAVEL Jetstream. Let's get started. Go to LARAVEL documentation. Search for authentication. Now open LARAVEL Jetstream documentation. LARAVEL Jetstream using only two stack, one is Livewire and Blade, another one is Inertia.js with Vue.js. LARAVEL Jetstream is new scaffold for build faster authentication system. API support via LARAVEL Sanctum. Jetstream designed with Tailwind CSS. And it's your choice to use which front-end scaffold you want to use, Livewire or Inertia. Livewire with Blade or Inertia.js with Vue. Now go to installation section. If you are going to create a new LARAVEL project and want to use LARAVEL Jetstream, then you can use this command to install LARAVEL with Jetstream in a single command. After that, migrate your database. Or if you have LARAVEL installed and want to use LARAVEL Jetstream authentication, then copy this command. Open your VS Code editor, open a new terminal window. Type composer require LARAVEL Jetstream, then hit enter. Wait for downloading, its take times depend on your internet connection speed. Now Jetstream installation finished. You can see here we are using LARAVEL Jetstream version 1.4, and later it will be latest version. In backend we are using LARAVEL Fortify, which is powering authentication system in LARAVEL Jetstream. Open again Jetstream documentation. In this lesson I am using Livewire scaffold. Now you have to choose which front-end scaffold you want to use, Livewire or Inertia.js. If you want to use team features, then you can use Teams to enable team support features. If you want to use Inertia.js, then copy this command same as above. Open VS Code editor, paste this command and hit enter. Now installation finish. Now run npm install and npm run dev to compile its assets. Now we have to migrate our database tables. So, open database and create a new database for this project. My database name is demo and collation. I am using UTF-8MB4 General CI. Copy this migration command. Open your VS Code editor and edit database name in .env file. Then paste command php artisan migrate in terminal window and hit enter to migrate. Now open your LARAVEL website and refresh page to see new links appears. Log in and register. Let's register and test a demo account. Now you are in dashboard page. Go to profile. Here you can update profile information. Change password. Or you can use two-factor authentications. Scan QR code. An authenticator using recovering code to login. Browser session management, you can log out from another device login before. Or you can delete your account. You can enable or disable these features, just modify fortify.php file. Just put / or commented before which features you don't want to use. Like this. Thank you for watching.